Hello everyone. In our previous lecture, we were already discussing the architecture of GSM, and we have discussed over there the mobile station, base station subsystem, and network switching subsystem. We were seeing the network switching subsystem. There I explained you that MSC is the heart of network switching subsystem and home location register HLR. I have already explained you in my previous lecture about home location register, and now we will see the VLR. VLR is a database which temporarily stores IMSI and customer information for each roaming subscriber who is visiting the coverage area of a particular MSC. It means the VLR has VLR's home location. The visitor's home location is in another MSC, and here when he logged into second MSC, he is the roaming subscriber over there. Hence, in that database, the MSC will logged in that it is a visitor location. It is a visitor, and he logged in his information will be mentioned in visitor location register, and as it will trace the IMSI number. From that, MSC came to know about the home location of that particular visitor, and it will send the message to the home location of that particular visitor to for the particular information that this user, which is whose home location is this, is logged into my switching area, my subscriber area, and he is here mentioning as a roaming subscriber. So please take its information and consider it for billing charges. Billing charges are also verified by the mobile switching center. Once a roaming mobile is logged in the visitor location register, the MSC sends the necessary information to the visitor subscriber's home location register so that calls to the roaming mobile can be appropriately routed over the PSTN by the roaming user's HLR. Now come to AUC, that is Authentication Center. Authentication Center is the strongly protected database which handles the authentication and encryption keys for every single subscriber in HLR and VLR. The Authentication Center contains a register called Equipment Identity Register. Here it is mentioned as EIR, the Equipment Identity Register, which identifies stolen or fraudulently altered phones that transmit identity data that does not match with the information contained in either the home location register or visitor location register. Then this was all about network switching subsystem, NSS. I have also mentioned you that here there is an OSS, that is Operation Support System, which gives operation and which is also known as operation and maintenance center, which are used to monitor and maintain the performance of each mobile station, base station controller, and mobile switching center within the GSM system. OSS, Operation Support Subsystem, has three main functions. We'll see the functions of Operation Support System. First is it maintains all telecommunications, hardware and network operation with a particular market. It manages all charging and billing procedures. It also manages all mobile equipment in the system. That means providing system operators with the ability to determine the performance and integrity of each piece of subscriber equipment in the system. This was GSM architecture. I have already mentioned you, I have already told you the this uh, full form of this words. These words I have already explained you. Now, mobile switching center. I have already explained you in the as the mobile switching center is the heart of network subsystem. Here I have took out some points from the mobile switching center, as it includes the GSM system for call switching. Call is switched by mobile switching center. Its overall purpose is the same as that of telephone exchange. What is its function? We'll see. First is the call processing. Call processing. It includes control of data or voice call setup, inter BSS and inter MSC handovers, and control of mobility management, operations and maintenance support. That is, it includes database management, traffic metering and measurement, and a man machine interface. Another function is inter-network interworking. What it says that it manages the interface between the GSM network and the PSTN network. When the MSC provides the interface with the other networks in the GSM network, it is known as Gateway MSC, which I have written as GMSC, that is Gateway MSC. Now, what is a home location register? I have already explained you. It is a database. What is home location register? It is a database which contains the subscribers information, location information for each user. Subscribers information means what is the identity of that subscriber, location information, to which MSC that subscriber belongs to, its unique international mobile subscriber identity, its IMSI number, which will be traced when he will move to any roaming area, the customer information for each roaming subscriber when this subscriber is roaming in another MSC, has visited, has logged in another MSC. That information will be collected in the home location register. Next is the visitor location register. This is the temporary database. It's also a database. I have already explained you. It is also a database, but it maintains the temporary data of the visitor. Why? Why temporary data? Because the visitor who has logged in from another MSC is not the permanent subscriber of that location, and MSC has to send the information regarding that user to its home location already. Then in home location, that database has been maintained already of the user who has moved to another MSC. So it maintains the temporary database. This is done only when the new user has been logged in from in another MSC from other MSC, and that new user will be considered as a roaming user, and its billing charges will be maintained as roaming user. Linked between, what it says, it is a link between several adjoining MSCs. Yes, because the MSC, the visitor location register VLR of one MSC sends the information to another MSC whose home location to another user's home location MSC. So it is linked between several adjoining MSCs. It contains information of every visiting user, contains information of the roaming subscriber, contains mobility status, that is whether the mobile is busy, that means he is already in call, ongoing call is being going on, so it will maintain the data according to that. Free, that means no call has been going on, it has no answer, it means someone already has been calling and it is not giving any answer. This type of mobile status is also mentioned in visitor location register. Then our next topic is GPRS, that is General Packet Radio Services. We will see this GPRS in another lecture.